Do you want to know how to cleanse your spiritual body? Watch this video to learn exactly how to take a spiritual bath. For the best self-care tips and tricks for total wellness, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a video every Sunday. We are all spiritual beings and we vibrate on different frequencies. Some energies are high and allow us to feel great and uplifted, while some are low and they make us feel very snappy and can have us feeling depressed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take a spiritual bath and how to step into your power. Spiritual baths can be done at any time, but it's best to be done around the full moon or new moon. I have done several spiritual baths myself, and I've also done some for my friends and loved ones. Spiritual baths really help to leave things in the past and bring in good, positive intentions. What is a spiritual bath? Spiritual baths are great to clear your aura. Remember, this is a ritual. It's not like a regular bath. It differs by your intention. Each herb, flower, and essential oil has properties that serves us on a spiritual, energetic level. How to prepare for a spiritual bath? Planning and prepping for a spiritual bath is essential. As I mentioned before, it's best to do it around the moon cycle. Using the powers of the moon help to increase the effectiveness. Prior to starting the bath, it's essential for you to clean your whole bathroom. Clean the tub, clean the toilet, and clean the sink. Don't forget to clean the floors as well. Once the whole bathroom is clean, sage it and hop in the shower to shower off your whole body. Remember, this is a ritual. You're not cleaning your physical body while you're in the bath. Your physical body needs to be clean prior. Once your physical body is clean, you can then do one last wipe out of the tub, sage down one last time, and begin to put your herbs in the bath. If you don't have a bath, that's fine. Use 3 buckets. Each bucket is going to be used to put a different intention, and you're going to do this ritual 3 times. Each bath is going to go right over your head, each bucket. Setting your intentions and releasing the past. In order for the bath to be effective, you must be intentional. You must know what you want to bring in and the things that you want to release. Start off with a meditation. I recommend you check out my video on how to meditate for beginners or my video on how to meditate with crystals. There will be a card popping up and the link will be in the description below. When you open your eyes from your meditation, answer the questions that I have down in the description below. Answering these questions will help you to identify the things that you want to release so the bath can truly be effective. This spiritual bath, we're focusing on releasing negative energy, past relationships, fear, hurt, pain, anything that no longer serves us. We are also allowing the divine to guide us and stepping into our true purpose. Now it's time to take our bath. Begin by lighting your incense. I'm using frankincense. Light your candle and get your music going. All details for supplies will be listed in the description below. I begin my bath by throwing in this bath tea with rose, white sage, and lavender. I then use another bath tea that contains rose, chamomile, hibiscus, and I'll list all that below. I do this for a total of 3 times, and each time I pour the herbs in, I'm putting my intentions in, releasing the old, bringing in the new, love, trust, connection to the divine. I repeat this process with each ingredient I put into the bath, 3 times each, removing negative energy, anything that no longer serves us, bringing in love, opening that heart chakra, healing from our past. Next, I'm adding a bath bomb that I had at home that contains Epsom salt and lavender and sea salt. So this is great to incorporate into my bath. Next, I'm adding Florida water. This is also called holy water. And I do the same thing, putting 3 drops each time, adding my intention. Next, I'm adding pink Himalayan salt 3 times as well, adding my intentions each time. You can see why I say this bath is totally different. You have to add your intentions into it. Here, I'm adding lavender oil 3 times as well and adding my intentions each time. Next, I have some rose salt that I've had from a previous spiritual bath that I did. That's why it's in a little baggie. And I do this 3 times as well, adding my intentions each time. Now I have my cleansed and charged crystals by the moon. I put them out last night outside in the garden, and today I am using them in my bath. So each time I pick up the crystal, I put the energetic property that it carries into the bath. So that's my intentions as I place them in. Now that my herbs and crystals are added, I'm adding in my rose petals. I add a total of 3 roses to the bath, and each time I'm peeling it off, I am adding my intentions as well. This is the bath after I've added all 3 roses, my crystals, herbs, and everything. I'm ready to hop in. Now that I'm in the bath, I start off by clearing my heart chakra with Yerba Santa. I then begin to pray and align with my intentions and connecting with God. I then begin to wash my body with the herbs, with the petals, allowing my body to just submerge in it. As I'm washing with the herbs and the rose petals and all the crystals, I'm like setting my intentions, imagining negative energies being washed off of me and bringing in that positive energy and all my good vibrations and energies that I'm trying to bring in. I also wash my face, as you can see here. I use the crystals as well to rub all over my body. I'm using these crystals here to clear my heart, releasing anything that no longer serves me. I also submerge my entire body from head to toe. Here you see me dunking my head in, Protect your ears because water definitely got into mine. Taking a few deep breaths here. Feels so good. I then completely submerge my whole face into the bath. Here, I'm just making sure that all the herbs get all over my body. Washing and intentional. I also use this time to connect to my crystals, aligning with their properties. I also use this time to think of the happiest moments of my life. Now that you know exactly how to take a spiritual bath, stay tuned for the next video in this series on the power of journaling and manifesting. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. If you tried any of the techniques in this video, comment down below spiritual cleansing and let me know how it's helped you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. But until then, remember, change starts in your mind. You change your mind and you change your whole life. Thank you.